a flat iron crimp. So grab a section of hair. You're going to place one clip a little high and another clip a little low on the section. You're going to bring those two clips together and hold them, creating a loop of hair. Take your flat iron and heat just the loop of hair. Drop your top clip down below the bottom clip. Bring the two clips together, creating a loop, and flat iron the loop. You can repeat this pattern throughout the hair until you've achieved your desired look. The distance between the clips, the different placement on the hair sections will all determine your overall look. Once the hair is cooled, finish your look with Loma's finishing hairspray.